is Halina. I am a dental technician. At Vitality, I am a ceramist. When I start working, there's no digital technology. I have to design everything with wax, and I did that for 12 years. I have a background from the old-fashioned technology, but amaze new technology. And today technology saved me a lot of time. When I make a crown, I always think if that crown will be good for my mouth, so it will be good for my patient. This is the place for young people to learn. CAD/CAM technology, it's amazing. I always say CAD/CAM technology plus art equals smile. My first job was waitress and factory worker, but I didn't want to do that for my whole life. My dream was become an artist, and this is my art.
Visit vitalitydentalarts.com.